Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know people probably don't really do these intro videos anymore, but I just want to kind of talk to you guys and share who I am and why I made this channel and the podcast. I don't know if I'm really going to be talking a lot in my actual tutorial videos, but I just kind of want you to get to know me outside of the podcast and whatnot. I really want to make a transition into my career. I want to teach and I want to work less on set. I've done 17 years. I've hit all of my goals. I have 4 Emmys, 7 nominations, and if I continue to win more, I would love it. But I've had a beautiful career, and now I want to share that with other artists that are looking to get into this industry and need the help and confidence to make that happen. This industry is spreading worldwide. It is not just in Hollywood. So, depending on where you live, depending on where they're gonna, what kind of atmosphere they need, there's a huge possibility that it could come to your town. It has gone to my hometown area, and I never would have thought that it would have gone there. So, if you are interested in learning more on how to get in the industry, or if you just want to see what goes on behind the scenes and what kind of cool tricks and techniques we do, please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't mind, and if you would love to support me and what I'm doing, you could buy me a cup of coffee. I would really appreciate it. I also have a membership program that I am teaching all the business skills and all the things that are needed to succeed in this business. And then I also will have other programs. Right now, I have a custom wig program, which is teaching you how to master Hollywood's HD custom lace wigs. They are different than what they're teaching on YouTube and what most people wear. These are very delicate, fine lace, full cap, fine lace hand tie, and you have to treat them differently and you have to apply them differently in order for them to look like it's real hair and not a wig on the head, okay? And later on, I'm going to be doing other courses, but I got to get this part of the business off the ground before I can do it. So any help would be so appreciated. And yeah, if you have any requests, you can DM me on Instagram or in the comments of the videos. You can leave any kind of request on my website, my podcast's homepage. There's a request area. So I've already had several, and I'm in the works of making those. So, yeah, thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting me, and thank you for all your love. All right. I look forward to getting to know you.